Let's look at a fourth order area stress function. The coefficients will have the number 4 on them. You could think of that as a subscript or just as a constant A4, B4, C4, etc., just as we did in the previous homework. So step 1 is to explore this area stress function and to determine the constants needed to solve that biharmonic. So it's very similar to what we did for homework here. And remember, the biharmonic is the Laplacian raised to the 4th power, but this other format might be a little bit more useful for you. Differentiate with respect to x 4 times, differentiate with respect to y 4 times, and then 2 times the second derivative with respect to x and the second derivative with respect to y. So that one might be a little handier for you. So let's explore this one. If we differentiate this with respect to x 4 times, we are left with 2a4. If we differentiate this twice with respect to x, twice with respect to y, and then multiply by 2, we get 4c4. And then 4 differentials with respect to y, we get 2e4. You can check my math on those. So the summation of these three must be 0. That's the biharmonic. So 2a4 plus 4c4 plus 2e4, all of it has to be equal to 0. At this point, we have a lot of choices. You could express e4 in terms of a4 and c4, which I did, or you could express it another way. I think doesn't really matter, but here's what I did. I expressed e4 as a function of these two, and then we will pop those in and we could start to find the stresses.